Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Ecamm Live. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to go into live demo mode so you can give your live stream viewers a little bit of a behind the scenes look of exactly how Ecamm works while you're producing a live stream. When you are live streaming or broadcasting to YouTube, Facebook, and other channels, the audience is typically only seeing the main program window. They're not going to see all of the Ecamm Live utility windows that you use to add effects and to add things into your live stream. But if you want to give them a behind the scenes look and show them how Ecamm works, well then you're going to go into live demo mode. To enable live demo mode at any time while you're using Ecamm Live, just come up to the top menu, click on options, then go down to the very bottom and you will see live demo mode. There is also a keyboard shortcut, Shift-Command-D, and a little bonus tip: if you are using a Stream Deck, you can program a key for live demo mode, making it very easy to go in and out of live demo mode. When you first start using it, you'll see this little warning dialog box that tells you that Ecamm is going to share your entire screen when you are in live demo mode. If you want to turn that little warning message off, just click on Don't Ask Again, then click on Turn on Live Demo Mode. So on the computer that you are using to produce your live stream, you'll see this little red border around the outside letting you know that you are currently in live demo mode. And your audience is going to see exactly what you see on this computer. So they're going to see all of the utility windows, you can move things around and show them how things work in Ecamm. This is particularly useful if you're making a tutorial and you want to show your viewers how things are working. When you're ready to exit live demo mode, you can use that keyboard shortcut, Shift-Command-D, or come back to the top menu, click on options. You'll see it's checked. Just uncheck it or click on it, and now it'll go back to the program window. You will still see all the utilities, but your viewers will go back to the main program window. And that is how to go in and out of live demo mode in Ecamm Live. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.